All right. This is the tractor so far. I mean, it's not done yet, but this is what the tractor, John Deere, best tractor makers in the world. John Deere, as you can tell. Has all that. All right. And now it has the water, the water temperature, and then it has the oil pressure. Yep. And then, so yeah, and next time you see it, then it will be started. All right, start her up, bro.
Commercial since you came.
Yeah, Simon. Did Dave ever show up?
No, he had to go pick up the water pump.
All right, so start her up.
I gave in and went and bought a water pump, huh?
Yeah, $106.
Yeah, I said, I bet you Dave didn't come out, and that's why Grandpa was calling, because I said Dave would have been working till 6.
I don't know how to start it yet, though, boys.
Yeah, he's still getting, because you overhauled it, everything starts different than it
Give
used
a
to.
little more throttle than last time. Gas on?
Yes.
See, that's the gas.
Yep.
Oh, he's doing you, Sam. Smile.
Don't take my picture.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
He's taking it. Usually takes, it took the paint out.
Oh. Oh yeah. Look at that baby spin. Look at her spin.